Welcome back to GMA. Those are just some of the doctors, nurses, and first responders who day in and day out put themselves at risk on the front lines of this pandemic, and we celebrate them and cannot thank them enough.
And let's continue with a celebration now this morning. We want to make your Monday by introducing you to one of these extraordinary healthcare workers. She's a nurse in San Antonio, Texas, who went where, rather. She left San Antonio and went where the need was greatest when the pandemic started. Now she's back in her hometown hospital where the need is still great. We're going to talk to her live in just a moment. There she is. But first, we want to share her story.
Kristen Knott is a healthcare hero, traveling from her home in San Antonio to a COVID hot zone in New Jersey to help fight COVID-19.
This has really put life in perspective for me. I am definitely more grateful for my family, my friends, my health.
Now, back in Texas, she's still fighting to end the pandemic, spending 31 days straight in the COVID unit.
We had days where we would be intubating 3 or 4 patients. 2 patients would be coding, then we would have to intubate 3 patients next door, like a madhouse.
Each day harder than the last.
I had this one patient for about 3 weeks, and the day that she passed on me was probably my most difficult day. Sitting there in her room and holding up the FaceTime screen, seeing what the family was going through, and hurt.
Her family and friends so proud of all she's given.
You are an inspiration to everyone and a true example of compassion and kindness.
The love and compassion that you share with others have touched so many hearts.
Love you. Hey,
yeah. Love you.
And there is Kristen joining us live from San Antonio before she starts another shift at the hospital, of course. Kristen, good morning to you. And you heard some of your family and friends there at the end of that piece. We had so many responses from your family and friends. We had to cut them off. Okay, we get it. She's awesome. No, there were just so many responses. Clearly they love you and love what you do. But what's it like to hear your loved ones talk about you like that?
Oh my gosh, my heart's so full, and I can't even say how thankful I am for them, because especially my parents, they taught me everything, and I'm just blessed to have my family around me, and I'm so grateful.
Yeah, well, we're grateful for you, and we loved your Facebook post where you talked about the 31 things you learned while working 31 days at the ICU. And number 31 on the list was, you aren't just a nurse. Elaborate on that for us.
So my nursing journey has been difficult, but I know that this is my vocation in life, being a nurse, and it's not about me. It's about helping others and being there for them, being there for the families, to take care of them. And especially in this time during COVID, when the families can't be there to be the family member to the patient, they're not there to hold their hand. So I take that place for them.
And like you just said, there were 31 things on that list, 31 things you learned. What else is on that list? What else did you learn?
So there's some funny ones. I started off with talking about mask knee, wearing your mask for 12, 13 hours straight. You take it off, and oh my gosh, I haven't had this kind of acne since high school. Also, having the amazing team. Oh my gosh, the amazing people that I work with. I can't thank them enough, and I'm just really blessed to have all the people around me and be able to help me out and help each other out too, because that's what it's about.
Yeah,
teamwork.
It certainly is. And you told us one of your favorite TV shows of all time is Grey's Anatomy. So we have a few people you might recognize who want to say something to you, so take a look.
Hey Kristen, your commitment to this fight is inspiring, and I want to echo what everybody else has probably said and send you my own bit of gratitude. So thank you so much.
Hey there, Kristen. I'm sending you so much love. Thank you so much for everything you've done. Mwah.
Well, clearly you could see that.
God.
Yes. Let me get your reaction first. What do you think?
Oh my gosh, I love Grey's Anatomy. I'm a sucker for them. And I was just telling my mom I need to have another marathon and catch up with everything because working all those days in a row, I'm just like, I need to sit down and just do a marathon.
Okay, well maybe we'll give you a chance to sit down here soon. You wrote that your coworkers become your family and friends and how great everyone there at the hospital, how great everyone is. So we want to treat you and your whole unit to lunch. Everybody's going to get lunch on us. We're going to send in some pizzas.
Awesome.
I'm just kidding. I know you're running one of your posts.
Much.
No, you're tired of the pizza. That was just a joke. We're not sending pizza. We're actually
no pizza, please.
Yeah, okay. We're not sending pizza, but we're Lupe Tortilla, the restaurant there in San Antonio, is going to be bringing food for all of you. So please enjoy that. And we made not even a Mexican pizza from this place. Okay, you're not going to get that, but we wanted to say thank you and say good morning and just a little treat for you. And thank you for spending some time and for what you're doing.
Thank you, Kristen.
Well, thank you. Appreciate it. Thanks.
Well, love these. They're all such always genuine folks. And to hear their family and friends talk about them.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.